Welcome! I'm so glad you're here and ready to dive into the world of makeup with me. Ready to have some fun with makeup? Whether you're a total beginner or just looking for a fresh approach, you're in the perfect spot. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. We'll keep it simple and easy. Everyone starts somewhere and you're not alone. Today's goal isn't to transform you, but to help you feel bright and confident with a quick, everyday routine that fits your lifestyle. Whether you're prepping for a new job, a special day, or just curious about trying something new, you're in the right place. We'll cover everything from prepping your skin to adding a pop of color, and I'll share a few tips to make things even easier. No silly questions here, just easy steps and a bit of fun. If you're unsure about anything, that's totally okay. Think of makeup as a way to highlight your best features, not hide them. It's about celebrating what makes you unique. You don't need a mountain of products, just a few basics will do. We'll focus on essentials that work for everyone. This routine is designed to be quick, so you can get on with your day and still feel your best. Remember, makeup should be fun, not stressful. There's no pressure to be perfect. Mistakes? No problem. We'll fix them together, and you might even discover a new trick along the way. By the end, you'll have a simple routine you can use every day, no matter what your schedule looks like. Ready? Let's gather our tools and get started. Take a deep breath, relax, and let's enjoy this together. It's going to be a great day for your face, and I can't wait to see your confidence shine. First things first, let's prep your skin for a flawless makeup application. Think of your face as a blank canvas. The better you prep, the better your makeup will look and last. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser, using your fingertips in small circles. This helps remove dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup, leaving your skin fresh and clean. Rinse with lukewarm water. Hot water can dry out your skin, and gently pat dry with a soft towel. Avoid rubbing, as it can irritate your skin. Next, moisturize. Dot a pea-sized amount on your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin, then blend in with upward strokes. This helps lock in hydration and creates a smooth surface for your makeup. Moisturizer keeps your skin soft, plump, and helps makeup go on smoothly without clinging to dry patches. Don't forget sunscreen, even on cloudy days. Use at least SPF 30 after your moisturizer to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. Sunscreen protects your skin and keeps it looking healthy, youthful, and radiant over time. These steps create a smooth, hydrated base for your makeup, making it easier to blend and helping it last longer throughout the day. Clean, moisturized, and protected skin is the best start for any look, whether you're going for something natural or bold. You're now ready for the fun part, adding color and creativity to your look. Prepping your skin only takes a few minutes, but makes all the difference in how your makeup looks and feels. Well done, your canvas is ready. Let's move on to the next step and start creating your masterpiece. Time for foundation. Its job is to even out your skin tone, not cover up your unique features. Find a shade that matches your jawline. If it disappears in natural light, it's perfect. Use your fingers, a sponge, or a brush. Fingers are great for beginners. Dot a small amount on your forehead, nose, cheeks, and chin. Start with a little. You can always add more. Blend outwards from the center of your face, patting gently. Don't forget to blend down your neck for a seamless look. The goal is natural, even skin, not a mask. Check the mirror. Your skin should look like itself, just smoother. That's your foundation done. Let's keep going. Got a pimple or dark circles showing up? Concealer is your secret weapon for flawless skin. For under eyes, use a shade just slightly lighter than your skin. Draw a small triangle and blend gently for a natural look. For blemishes, use a concealer that matches your foundation exactly for best results. Dab a tiny amount directly on the spot, then tap the edges to blend it in. Don't rub. Just tap for seamless, natural coverage. The goal is to brighten and hide, not draw extra attention. A little goes a long way, so use sparingly. With just a few dabs, you'll look refreshed and awake instantly. concealer is like a magic wand for your skin, truly transformative. Ready for the next step in your routine? Let's make your eyes pop, simply and quickly. With just a few easy steps, you can brighten your whole face and look more awake in minutes. Start by choosing a neutral eyeshadow, like a soft brown or a shimmering champagne. These shades flatter every skin tone and add a subtle glow. Use your finger or a brush to sweep the color gently across your eyelid, from your lash line up to the crease. This creates a smooth, blended look that's perfect for any occasion. One shade is all you need for a polished, effortless look. No need to complicate things with multiple colors. Next, grab your mascara. Wipe off any excess from the wand, then wiggle it at the base of your top lashes and sweep upward. This helps separate and define each lash. 1 or 2 coats will instantly make your eyes look bigger, brighter, and more awake. Perfect for those early mornings or late nights. You can skip mascara on your bottom lashes for a softer, more natural look, especially if you want to keep things simple and fresh. For brows, just brush the hairs up and out with a clean spoolie. This instantly lifts your face and gives your brows a neat, defined shape. No need for fancy products, just neat, natural brows. With just eyeshadow, mascara, and tidy brows, your eyes will stand out beautifully. See how easy that was? In just a few minutes, you've created a fresh, sparkling look. Your eyes are sparkling already, catching the light and drawing attention in the best way. Now, let's add some color to your cheeks and lips to complete your radiant look. Time to bring your face to life with blush and a touch of lip color. Cream blush is easy for beginners. Choose a pink or peach shade. Smile and dab blush on the apples of your cheeks, then blend upward along your cheekbones. Start light. You can always add more. Blend until the color looks soft and natural. Blush gives you a healthy, happy glow. For lips, pick a tinted balm or sheer lipstick close to your natural color. Swipe it on, no mirror needed. This ties your look together and adds a fresh finish. Simple steps, big impact. You look radiant and ready for anything. Just a hint of color makes all the difference. Let's wrap up with some quick fixes. Made a mistake? No worries, everyone does. For mascara smudges, let them dry, then flick away with a cotton bud. Too much blush? Use your foundation brush or sponge to tone it down. Small fixes keep your look fresh without starting over. Practice makes perfect. Soon you'll breeze through this routine. The most important thing is to have fun and experiment. Makeup is about feeling good, not following strict rules. Take a look in the mirror and enjoy your handiwork. You've learned a quick, easy routine for every day. With a little practice, you'll be done in minutes. Wear your new look with confidence and a smile. Thanks for joining me on this makeup adventure. Have a smashing day.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.